Bitcoin is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. As always, if you enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now, yesterday we did mention that we did have a false breakout, and we did have this massive move to the upside. And I did mention that we will be looking to retest the 19.5, and hopefully we see a break. Now, Bitcoin did move above the 19.5 level briefly before being rejected down below the exponential moving averages, and again retested that support. Now, we did see a hammer candle form on Bitcoin, but it was rejected with a bearish candle and a confirmation candle, and now it looks like Bitcoin is retesting that support and failing to hold it. We can see a move to the downside again on Bitcoin. I did mention that if we cannot get above the 19.5 level and find that as support and then a continuation move, that is extremely bearish for Bitcoin. Currently, we do see this candle being formed, but again, it is too early to tell. The candle has 38 minutes to close on the 4 hour, but if this candlestick does break below, then we will be looking for a double bottom possible scenario, or a massive move once again breaking the 17.6 and going lower. We will be looking for a double bottom on the overall picture, though, that I mentioned over and over, that if Bitcoin, and for the bulls, the last opportunity for them to hold is around the 17.6, and hopefully we see a larger move to the upside after that. Currently, Bitcoin is in a more bearish situation, though. As you guys can see, we did have this massive bar formation form all the way up to 23,000, continuation down, and then another pullback all the way going back down, right? A lot of people are currently bullish on Bitcoin and saying, well, okay, this is just a manipulation move, but with manipulation moves, usually you don't see a consolidation, then dump, then another consolidation, then dump, right? Usually manipulation moves, you'll just see a consolidation on top of support and then a massive move to the upside. Something like we saw over here, right? We did see something like this where we had this consolidation move, a fake out, and then a massive move to the upside. Now, technically speaking, our fake out situation should have been the move yesterday, right? We should have seen that massive manipulation right here, see that move, and then a larger pullback, but we didn't. We actually rejected that resistance level really well, and now we are pulling forward, right? So now in the overall time frame, for the 1 hour on the lower time frame, we can see that Bitcoin has a bigger picture of the bearish situation, right? We are trading below the exponential moving averages and they are pushing the price lower. You guys already know that when the exponentials are moving like this and they're on support, usually you'll see a larger move set to the downside. Very rarely will you see a candlestick above pushing, breaking above all the exponentials unless it's a short squeeze. Now, the chances of us experiencing a short squeeze are also high. We do have quite a bit of over leveraged short positions over here, and looking at previous price action on the 4 hour, we can see that although this level doesn't hold quite well, we do see quite a bit of short squeezes, right? We can see right over here we had multiple tests of this level around the 18.8 before we had that move to the upside, followed by a fake out once more. So this is the situation we're in currently right now. We did have that move retesting the highs of 23k, followed by this move retesting the support once again, and then a continuation higher. Looking at Bitcoin right now, we can see that we did have that massive move to the upside over here. We had the breakout, retested once again, and now it looks like we might either see a break below, continuation move, or a massive move to the upside. Now, obviously for the bulls, we will like to see this level hold, continue on holding the support, and then the massive move, and that'll be confirmation for you guys to enter a trade. And for the bears, if we break below this level around the 18.2, then we will have a confirmation of a bearish bias, and the continuation should be a large waterfall to the downside. I'm leaning towards more of a bearish case scenario because, again, the exponentials are coming down quite hard. But if this candlestick closes above and we get a confirmation candlestick, then I would be more bullish, right? So as of right now, we're just going to be waiting for this candlestick close and kind of seeing how the bulls kind of play this trade out, and if we can or can't take a trade within the night and the morning. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.